LinkedIn sucks. What do I mean? We've all seen it, the same old generic content over and over again. Spam bots and salespeople just fill up your DMs, and LinkedIn comments these days are clearly written by AI. You see, there's a right way to do LinkedIn, and then there is a wrong way to do LinkedIn. And most lawyers, you're not necessarily doing it right. But over 90% of LinkedIn users say that they would absolutely use LinkedIn to find a lawyer. So the key is making sure that you get LinkedIn to work for you without boring your audience to tears. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do that. And I'm also going to show you how to optimize your profile to get more clients on LinkedIn. If this is your first time on my channel, I'm Jason Hennessey. For over 20 years, I've helped some of the biggest law firms throughout the country generate over $1 billion using SEO strategies. And I've been obsessed with LinkedIn marketing from the very beginning. So let's get into it. First off, the data overwhelmingly points to LinkedIn being a powerful marketing platform for lawyers, if they use it right. In fact, over 140 million users log into LinkedIn every single day, and it is one of the most trusted platforms people use to find businesses and service providers. These days, LinkedIn is the place to be. But how to use LinkedIn effectively, that is the real question. Posting generic content doesn't work. Commenting on a bunch of posts also doesn't work. So what does work? Branding. The key to growing on LinkedIn is to cultivate an impactful, recognizable personal brand that builds trust with prospective clients. Notice I said personal brand. That means no hiding behind your law firm's business page or leaving all of the engagement up to your marketing director. It means designing your unique identity to attract clients that are interested in what you have to say, what you stand for, and eventually your services. So how can you craft a LinkedIn profile that draws in more clients? It all starts with a strong visual branding. The first thing people notice when they visit your LinkedIn profile is your photo. So take action today by hiring a professional photographer to capture some fresh headshots. And that big photo up here on the top of your profile, that's a cover photo. More prime real estate to show people what you do and why they should work with you. And don't waste space with a cover photo and a generic backdrop with no text. What you want to do is you want to create a cover photo that tells people what you do, the law firm that you represent, and how to reach you. You can create this by yourself by using a tool like Canva or hiring a designer to do it for you. Next, be very specific about what you do and why. Any lawyer can post a list of their services that they offer and call it a day, but clients don't care about that. What they care about is results and the approach that you will take with their case. So instead of rambling on about your accolades, services, years of experience, instead, focus on the value that you bring with your approach. The first place that you can do this is in your tagline, the line directly below your name on your LinkedIn profile. Instead of saying something general like personal injury lawyer, consider a tagline like, I can get you more money for your personal injury case. Or, got injured? Only pay us if we win your case. Right away, these taglines tells users what you do and more importantly, how you will provide value to your clients. Another place to do this is in your LinkedIn bio. This is where you have a lot more space, in fact 6,000 characters worth, to introduce yourself, describe your approach, outline your services, and showcase results. Your bio should also include a clear call to action, making it stupid easy for people to contact you. Like, email me here, or click here to schedule a free consultation. Don't blend in with the sea of lawyers who have dull, generic LinkedIn pages. Make your profile stand out with a concise tagline, a descriptive bio, highlighting benefits and results that you will bring your clients. Next, focus on sharing thought-provoking and relatable content. Do you know that lawyers are statistically the most boring professionals? No wonder that stereotypes exist that lawyers are dry and uninteresting. The good news is that it's just a stereotype and not a life sentence. Your LinkedIn profile is your opportunity to show the human side of your title. You're not just a lawyer, you're a relatable, caring human being that values the people that you service. Let this mindset guide the content that you post and how you engage on the platform. If you've been posting content like 5 things you should know about corporate law or How many points is a DUI, right? It might be time to switch gears. Ditch all the legalese and overly formal jargon that alienate your audience. Instead, focus on being interesting and relatable. Share stories about yourself, your journey as a professional, a parent, a friend, or anything creative that relates to your field. Make your mess your message. Talk about your failures, mistakes, some of the lessons that you've learned. That's the stuff that people will really resonate with. Showcase your ability to overcome obstacles for yourself and for your clients. Address common concerns that people have. Divorce, business partnerships, employment, whatever your service area is, publish about topics that your prospective clients would care about. And you want to be friendly. While you do want to post relatable content, you want to avoid being over controversial where that can maybe come back to bite you. Maintain a professional attitude and focus on providing value, not instigating conflict. Once you start posting content like this, you'll see topic ideas everywhere. Make content relatable to your life and your prospective clients will take notice and they will trust you. And trust is such an important factor in determining whether a client will want to work with you or the other guy. When people comment on your post, make sure you engage with them. Build lots of connections. Whenever I'm introduced to someone via email, the first thing I do, even before responding to that email, is connect with them on LinkedIn. Here's why. When I respond to their email, it's a one-time interaction. But if we're connected on LinkedIn, they might see or engage with my posts and videos that I share daily, keeping me on their radar. I can't stress this enough. It's very important to make sure that you're increasing your LinkedIn connections. These aren't just followers on Facebook. The numbers and quality of your connections significantly impact your reach on the platform. For example, having a large number of connections expands your network to include their connections as well. And if you're connected with people who have a large audience, you benefit even more from the second and third degree connections. This increases your visibility and boosts engagement on your post and profile. All of that engagement fuels the LinkedIn algorithm, helping you reach even more people. Not convinced? LinkedIn itself states that its algorithm factors in connections when determining your reach and visibility. As a legal professional, your success on LinkedIn heavily depends on how easily you can be found by peers and other professionals and potential clients. So rather than passively hoping people discover your profile, take the initiative to start actively growing your connections. All right, so let's stop and take action. You see, life rewards those that take action. Send connection requests to other professionals in your field, especially those with larger followings. Comment on posts from people you're not yet connected with. Their followers will notice you too. Send connection requests to those who comment on your post, especially if they seem like potential clients. And also reach out to your second and third degree connections in LinkedIn by using LinkedIn search to connect with them. More than just posting content, building connections will help you expand your reach and grow your page. And the more people who discover your profile, the more people there are to potentially work with you or refer clients to you. LinkedIn doesn't have to suck, and it doesn't have to be a waste of time. As one of the top professional platforms, it's a goldmine for attracting new clients or referral attorneys to your firm. But the key to winning on LinkedIn is not just simply posting daily or listing your services. No, it's about branding, how you portray yourself, who you help, and how your content makes you relatable. And your connections, more than your content, play a huge role in getting you noticed by an even wider audience. Still not convinced? HubSpot found that LinkedIn is 277% more effective for lead generation than Facebook and Twitter. And according to a survey by the American Bar Association, 57% of lawyers who use social media professionally have gained new clients as a result, with LinkedIn being one of the most effective platforms. The evidence is clear. Law firms boost their revenue with effective LinkedIn and organic marketing strategies, and the results speak for themselves. So what are you waiting for? Grab that phone, open up LinkedIn, and get to work. If you got value from this video, please be sure to subscribe or leave a comment below. And if you'd like to learn more about reverse engineering your website for better search results, check out my latest book on Amazon called Honest SEO.